I learned so much about cows. Like, I knew I wanted to go to Madison for biology, but I didn't really understand that there was different parts, like different schools of Madison.
One of my male students that's here, he came here just because he thought, oh, Madison, let's do this. It's going to be fun. And he wasn't even sure that he was going to go to college. And now he's super interested in college. I'm so excited to see that in my kids because that's why I brought them. I wanted them to experience the opportunities here and to get to open up pathways that they didn't even know existed.
My original idea was to go for culinary arts. I've been cooking and baking since I can remember, and it's always been a love of mine. And I didn't know that food science was even a topic. I figured out that I can change food and change the way that food tastes and the way it looks in so many drastic different ways.
Seeing the research in action on this campus, going into labs, going into the gardens, going into the fields, and seeing the research that's being done here and the problems they're trying to solve and how the Wisconsin idea is embodied by the people in this campus was absolutely vital.
Checking out the labs at Madison was honestly one of the highlights. Like, I liked it when we got to hold stuff and look through microscopes and like see like stuff that I learned in AP Bio being applied in actual labs. I think that was really important to me.
I would 100% recommend this to like someone, like everyone. I'm seriously gonna go back and like tell everyone how much fun it was. It was an amazing experience.
We don't always have time to ensure that the best and brightest see a place for them here and have a path forward. And this is an opportunity to provide that in a hands-on way that's meaningful to those students, in a way that helps them develop relationships that might last for the rest of their lives, and helps them to see a place for them well after high school. And so to have that opportunity as a teacher and to know that I can provide those opportunities to my students without having to work in the summer to make that happen, I think is hugely valuable.